MCX is absolutely prepared for the new commodity options trading. That's the word coming in from Mr. Paranjape, the MD and CEO of MCX. Says the exchange has submitted its commodity recommendations to SEBI and expects trading to kickstart from FY17-End.
SEBI has already been doing this consultative process. As they mentioned, the CDAC consists of players who are exchanges, who are part of the industry, economic experts, and all of them are already part of this consultative process. We have given our inputs in terms of what we believe should be the criteria, whether it is liquidity, whether it's participation, whether it is volumes, and we have already in dialogue with SEBI. From our perspective, there are at least 5 or 6 very, very liquid commodities on MCX, which we think can be eligible for options. But yes, we will await the CDAC final guidelines and then decide.
If you could name a few of those commodities for us.
I think, again, the final one will all depend on the final guidelines, but we have very good interest in gold, in silver, in copper, in crude, cotton, CPO. So I can name at least six or seven commodities where we think there could be options introduced.
MCX will have to also get a proper infrastructure in place before it starts with the options trading in commodity markets, be it the clearing corporation and so on. How prepared is MCX at the moment?
So for options trading in the current scenario, we are absolutely prepared, whether it is in terms of operations, technology, people, licenses, absolutely what we need to trade options for the current market, we are absolutely ready. In preparation that at some point of time, institutional investors will be allowed for the commodities markets, and institutional investors do look at a clearing corporation as an essential part of an exchange. We have already filed our application with SEBI for a clearing corporation, and we are very confident that it will be ready on time.
In terms of timeline, what is the kind of expectations from the timeline? Do you think end of FY17 would be a realistic timeline for the options trading to actually begin?
I think that's a very realistic timeline. I would agree with you.